ठीक है। ओके, सबसे पहले इसमें क्या निकालना है हमें? मैक्सिमम पावर। वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट मैक्सिमम पावर। मैक्सिमम पावर फॉर्मूला वी नो, मैक्सिमम पावर फॉर्मूला इज v square th over 4rl, right? So vth is the voltage across a and b, and rl is equal to rth. So we need to calculate only two things according to the Thevenin also, that is vth and rth, right? Okay, now see, in this generally students stuck in the calculation of RTH. Okay, but I'll tell you first about the VTH. As you know that this is the A and B terminal, and VTH would be equal to VAB only. That you are standing at A position, you have to move towards B. So can we write down VAB is equal to VTH? Let's mark this point C and D. So you are standing at A, you have to move towards B. Either you can move through upward path or you can move through downward paths, right? The A and B will always mark across the load resistance. Okay, always mark across the load resistance. So it can be VAC plus VCB, right? VAC according to Ohm's law, IAC into RAC, VCB according to Ohm's law, ICB into RCB, right? So how many meshes are there in this case? Hmm. Too simple. You are moving from A to C, so your current should also move from A to C. Again, you are moving from C to A. No, sorry, you are moving from A to C. I have taken wrong direction. So in whichever direction you are moving, you have to take current in that only. You are moving A to C, so current should also move A to C. You are moving A to C, so current should also move A to C. Okay, got it? So IAC would be equal to, tell me in terms of I1 and I2. No, I'm not asking the equation. I1, in terms of I1, both are moving in the same direction, so it would be I1 plus I2, RAC is 10. Similarly, tell me ICB in terms of I1 or I2. ICB. The CB is the corner wall of your house or the middle wall. In the corner wall, there is a flow of single current or double current. So ICB would be equal to simple I2. Okay. Don't get confused. So can we make the mesh to both the equation? Can we make the equation for both the meshes? Now tell me the equation for the first mesh. Plus 60. See, you can see that this is current जाएगा नहीं जाएगा? -10 into both the currents are moving in the same direction or in the opposite direction. If you have mistaken any single mistake of positive and negative, then all of your question will be wrong. Okay, see, you are moving like this. Positive, it would be this. If I'll make the sign positive, negative. Okay, positive, negative. So you have taken the second sign, so it would be positive. Then another I1 plus I2 would be equal to 0, right? Now tell me the second equation. Wait, yeah. Just try to move in the direction of the current only. Don't move opposite to the direction of current. Positive or negative? Negative. hmm, 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 is equal to 0. Okay, so after solving it, we'll get the value of I1 and I2, right? Then we can put it over here, then we'll get the value of VAB, right? Okay, now what is the next step we need to calculate? RTH. For RTH, what we need to do? We need to short circuit the voltage source and we need to remove the RL terminal also, right? Okay, I'm removing it and it would be short circuit. Okay, now tell me, you are standing at A. You have to move towards B. So 10 ohm and 20 ohm are your friends. 10 and 20. They are in the same path or at the different path. So it means 10 parallel 20. Similarly, 25 and 5. They are in the same path or at the different path. Different path. So it would be like 25 parallel 5. Then it would be connected in series. Okay. So for the wheatstone bridge, I always do it like this: 10 parallel 20 plus 25 parallel 5. That would be the final value of RTH. Next, you can put it over in the maximum power formula.